is a NPN transistor 2482. You can look up all transistors on a data sheet. They'll give you all of the information, the schematics of the IC. Now that is a resistor, and its resistance is 1K or 1 kilo ohm. With a silver tolerance band that's give or take 10%. And there comes the LED light, which I'm about to show you. The negative lead going to ground, which is the anode, and of course the cat is positive. The cat eats, and the anode gets rid of what it eats, in a sense. So the cathode's positive, the anode is negative. Alright, now that completes one side of the transistor, although it's in wrong. The transistor, that is. I think that's a BCE. And either which way, B is on one end and E is on the other end, so that load cannot be connected to either. I'm saying wrong again. It cannot be connected to either end. It must be in the center. And I'm checking, because that was a really long time ago, to me, that is. And there we go, taking it out. Now we're putting the load, we're connecting the collector to the power rail through the load, so that's in the center spot. Now just let you see it, and now we can hook the negative side up of the transistor. Remember, you are working with DC, so this is my meter that I am connecting to the emitter, to ground. So I'm using the meter as sort of a jump wire from the emitter straight to ground. So I guess you can understand that principle. I just plugged in the power supply at 9 volts. These will be the touch sensors, and that touch sensor just went to the base, and that's going dead in the center to the collector. So that's a BC bias, or a base to collector bias. We're biasing it. We're going to feed a small current. It'll come on, but you can barely see it, which I'll cut the light off so you can see it. Alright, checking everything. Everything's correct. Go ahead and there it is. Can you see that? Barely. Alright, let's turn the lights off. Now you can see it. So, and here's your meter, and it's going to say what, 2.5, 2.5, if I'm not mistaken. That's a full on, and then now the current's going through my body from one hand all the way through my body out to the other hand. Current, not voltage. And that's pretty much the setup. And always remember, base to emitter or collector to emitter. Those are the only two ways current can flow in a transistor, from the base to the emitter or from the collector to the emitter. Okay, you guys give me a shout down below. Comment. Let me know what you think. Of course, I'm looking at it now and I see I can do a lot better with lighting and the way I hold it. But I'm developing slowly, so alright guys, I will see you later.